on for today's video. Another rides.
Go!
Another adventure. And another place to visit. Mga lugar nga wala na to damha nga exist. O kung wala pa ka nakaanhi diri tara, uban ta. At sabay nating saksihan ang kanindot sa atong kinaiyahan.
Wow! Ay, grabe! Woo! Ang ilong ang malibo! Woo! Yeah! Alright, balik na kay Dilima o! Dilima mo lagi yan, Dilima o!
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet.
Ito layang?
Layang ito dulu sa gulo-gulo map.
Gulo-gulo map?
Gulo-gulo map ni. Gulo-gulo map.
Dili de Google Map, gulo-gulo map.
Libog-libog man ta.
Gulo-gulo map, oy. Gulo-gulo map. Wah, ginagadi mo si gulo-gulo map.
In the dark, with a feeling in our eyes, it felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow.
Ang dako. Lalom kayo ang
Wala nila rego.
kung i-break ngapay mo. Pwede utang te? Utang lang.
Ano yan, Ben?
Utang.
Pwede utang?
Kasi may pan kay gutom na. Gutom na kami? Doon lang ta ba?
Tawad to medyo ma'am na.
Ano ba? Ama mo tayo na.
Bunawan River.
Unawan? Ununan pa.
Unahan pa? Mga pila ka daw.
Hindi na magtuig.
Ay na magtuig.
Adlaw pero
Dahil sa sini. Doon.
wala kasabi.
Salamat eh. Oh, ayun na. Una Jess.
Maligo mo, mag-vlog.
Ligo dala vlog.
Musa na kanduga.
Taghan mo, mag-vlog niya.
Dagan. Nice na vlog. Tara Jess. Tara.
Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door.
We're here. Yeah. Okay, ito tadi wala. We're here. Tara kaya dito. Enjoy ko dito. Yeah. Alright, we're here. Ma. Alright, we're here. Kapila ka dalang nga giagian. Na nawala.
Wala makita. Saan mo? Gamit trapal.
Gani. Saan niyo ba? Saan kilibi ba? Oh.
Kusgan kayo, boy. Ah,
Gani.
be? Oh.
Ano na pula ka?
So we're going to Naog-Naog there. Oy, maligid ni pa. Oh. Super kainit. Init kaayo.
here. Yes.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Alright, so muna yung mong set up. Yes, kapal, misa.
Ang sili na bilin.
Sili? Mura na yung sudan. Itlog, hotdog, o karne. Marami pan kay gutom na kayo. Di man tayo magamit o kutsilyo ba? Kasi sa ilalong din. Ano yung mga gamit ni? Gutom na ko. Gutom. Panjis!
Hindi na pagkapi na.
Malaligin po na.
Ano yung kapiya ma?
Bro.
Oh.
Milo.
So kaon sa tayo, gutom kayo. Pila ka wrong tour nang nagyan ma? Dua. So dagan kay mi og nagyan nga dili mao. Sayop ang gitudlo ni gulo-gulo map. Sayop ang gitudlo. So it's part sa ride, part sa adventure nga usahay mawala ta, mapadulong ta sa iyang lugar. Siyempre, first time nato lagan ang isa ka lugar and wala pa ta katod asa gion. And nag-Google Map ta pero nahimo siyang gulo-gulo map. Dili mao yang gitudlo. So muna isa sa challenging part pag mag-rides mo, mag-adventure, namoy lagan. Isa na siya sa makataw excitement, challenge. So naka-explore pa mo sa lain lugar, ma-discover mo mga new things, possible nga lagan, possible nga spot. Diba? So that's it. Init, kapoy, but totally enjoy ang rides and especially pakabot nature, man. This nature. If dili ka nature lover, siguro dili nimo ma-appreciate ang kining nga lugar. But if you are a nature lover, gusto kag peace, gusto kag enjoy, lingaw. So, kasi sulit, man. Yes. So ang duwa nangaligo na. Dora. Duwa. So, yeah. Ay.
Hi.
So ang isa nagluto, ito ma.
Agoy.
Itlog. Pagod na. Ano yung cellphone mo? Hulog na yung cellphone karon na. Na. So siya mong in charge sa food. Cookman.
Sunod, dili na kumuupahan kay pagluto ra ko magapon. Napagod.
Kira na eh.
Hala, ang hotdog palit.
Kamura ni mong balon, itlog, nami hotdog, and nami karne. Tulo na may kabuok, patay.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on. Just to
Lord, thank you kayo sa among safe nga biyahe nga bisag nga wala ni sa mga dalan. So still hindi na kun ming ipaabot og safe sa among destination. And salamat sa pagkaon, sa mga gamit na prepare ning food, sa mga kauban, atagan mi nimo og good health katapos sa paglawas. To continue enjoy and go the adventure in your life. So hope nga mag-enjoy mi dani karon, and that's it.
'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
So manami og pamahaw. Pamahaw pa to ha. Naglo kanyod ko. Si Gaon first batch pa daw to eh.
First batch
First batch pa.
Paano to, pamahaw?
Pamahaw sa among paniod to karon is giluto pa.
Bago pa na magkaon-kaon na pod.
Ito siya o gumba. Food vlog na siya.
Bago pa na manugkaon.
Siya mong food vlog karon. Hindi mo pwede paliguan dia. Dapat tuwi ko ng motor ano ba? Ano kayo? Hey! Manod na dinilas! Okay, manod na! Ayaw ito ha! Hindi na makuha. Hindi na makuha dia. Woo! Test live! Live?
Slide ba slide?
Hindi ka katunga dia. Kamu katunga dia, mag-inom dia. Katunga dia. Balik ka, buhay mo ulo.
So you kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made it do. She started doing her hair and makeup all just for you.
Ayo, pagkamak-ampak. Maligas ka.
Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get let down 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think.
Pagdalaog, makaon. Ayaw gani. Sabi ako.
So you came along just 'cause you wanted to. Your mom's still awake with her heart too. She started where it's 2:30.
Diyan na lang.
Only because you came home when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think. Not as cool as
Struggles. Dito? Check. Okay, for this video, naglaan na po din.
Ligo mi guys, kuya kaya lang suba dire guys, kay makabasa.
Ya. Oh,
Kuya kay lamugan guys.
stitik.
Atas ka ba?
Nangi ulit, nangi. Nangi ini siya, kaya ini galit.
Uy. Oh, naipol. Moist lang.
Inek.
Yay, katulong.
Dito maigo niyo.
Igo lagi ta. Sus, igo lagi. Igo lagi ta. Di ko ubos ko, di mo taas.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We know where these rivers flow, why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reapers Ford to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. Who even know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my raining.
Raining, yeah. Woohoo! Asa na? It's raining. Amo luming hipos, ulan na. Tapos namin kayo nag-ulan na. Basa eh. May jacket na, Bing.
So it's raining right now.
Let's tanggal-tanggal.
It's raining. Ugay. So let's struggles again. Struggles na ta. Struggles sa ganina kay kusog kayong balod. Balod. So nga, flow, the wave of the water. Karon, wala gyapon, wala na bago. Brothers and sisters. Pila ni pa? Pila ni Kus?
Kawiri o kay magtabang o kay
Kanin ko ma, isa ka po.
So, we are going home now. Sige, driver.